Welcome to my in-depth review of Timely, a fitness scheduling platform designed for professionals in the health and wellness industry. In this video, I will guide you through the essential features and user experience of this website. Timely positions itself as a tool for fitness professionals such as personal trainers, yoga instructors, and studio owners, offering solutions for managing bookings, payments, and client interactions efficiently. The homepage greets you with a clean and modern interface that emphasizes user-friendliness. Navigation is straightforward, with well-organized menus that make it easy to explore its tools. One standout feature is the booking system, which allows clients to schedule their sessions online. This functionality is highly customizable, catering to individual preferences for appointment types, durations, and recurring bookings. For trainers and studio owners, Timely offers a dashboard that provides an overview of upcoming bookings, client details, and revenue analytics. This feature enables users to stay organized and make data-driven decisions to grow their fitness business. Payment integration is another highlight. The platform supports multiple payment gateways, allowing clients to pay online seamlessly. This eliminates the hassle of handling cash transactions and provides added convenience for both clients and professionals. Timely also includes client management tools, such as detailed profiles where fitness professionals can track attendance, notes, and preferences. These features are particularly valuable for building personalized relationships with clients and fostering loyalty. Another noteworthy aspect is its mobile app, which brings full functionality to smartphones. This ensures that users can manage their schedules and stay connected with clients on the go. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported challenges with setup complexity, particularly when configuring advanced features. While the support team is responsive, the learning curve could be a consideration for those unfamiliar with such platforms. Overall, Timely delivers a robust solution for fitness professionals seeking a streamlined approach to scheduling and client management. It combines a sleek design with practical tools tailored for the demands of the fitness industry. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights.